How to hide apps on iOS 18. In this video, I will show you how you can hide apps on iOS 18 and add an extra layer of security to your apps. First, locate the app that you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide Facebook app. Now long press on app icon that you want to hide. From the options, tap Require Face ID. You will get a confirmation box. Just tap Hide and Require Face ID. Your phone will then ask for your Face ID or passcode, and then it will ask if you are sure you want to hide the app. A new menu will appear on your phone that says hiding an app will remove your app's icon and name from your home screen and place it in the hidden folder in your app library. The menu will also say you won't receive any notifications from the app. Tap Hide App at the bottom of the menu and your iPhone will hide the app. Now to see your hidden apps, just swipe right until you are in App Library. Just scroll to the bottom of the page where you will see a folder labeled Hidden. Tap this folder and enter your Face ID or passcode. The folder will then display your hidden apps. As you can see, the Facebook app icon is now in the hidden folder. So that is how you can hide apps on iOS 18. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.